name is Pavan. I'm owner of Dixie Divers, and right here today I want to show you something, the new setup we put it together, and we have available on our website. Okay, I want to show how this works. We have it right here, our aggressor that we call is a backup system. Very good, very useful if you use a hookah system, or if you want to clean your boat, or just to go inspect the bottom of your boat and see, check some stuff off of the propeller and so on. So it's very useful. Let me show you how it works. You got the whole setup here. You have a protector right here. You take this off, and the beauty of this, you connect it. You just pull it back, hook it up right there. It's already connected. Okay, and now you come right here to the tank, any tank. Okay, and as you come to the tank right here, okay, let me turn it around. If you have a tank right here, you hook up to the tank. Okay, as you hook up to the tank, you can be able to fill them as they equalize from the tank. It's very easy to fill them. Okay, if you hook up here, and it has a little knob right here. You just open this, make sure it's open, and also you have a little pressure gauge. Now as you have a hook up with this, okay, make sure the port right here, you're turning on one side or the other. Now you're slowly, you open, every see you open this, you can see the pressure coming up. Yeah, right now you're filling the tank, you can see it going, equalize, it get a little warm, but it goes, and angle. You can see the numbers right there. It's overpassing 2000 psi, and it goes toward 3000 psi, almost 3000 psi. Okay, so now equalize, and the tank is full. What you do is, the only thing you got to do is close, make sure you close the tank right here, close back the tank. And if you're looking here, you got to just purge this. I'm going to come and try to do this side. You just turn and twist it. That's it, a purge. It has one-way valve, so it's not going to leak. And as you take it off, you disconnect it right here. It's a quick disconnect. Now there, you put a protector back again. And now is the regulator is working. So you can breathe through it. You can go and breathe. How long does this last? This lasts about, if it, at the surface, you probably can do about 200 breaths. And you can think like you're going 33 feet, you can take it pretty much at 33 feet, about 10 minutes of diving at 33 feet. So it's plenty time to go around. If you're going just clean your boat, just to go around the boat, probably you can get around 20 minutes around your boat and clean the propeller. So it's a very useful unit. Let me show you one more thing too. After doing this, to avoid any leakage, you can close this, all right? And as you have it open, so if you can storage if it's closed and nothing ain't gonna leak at all. When you're gonna use it, then you open it again. Let me show you how you hook up this. If I am you, I use this as put this in my neck, okay? This is good, come right there. And as has the belt right here, we have a setup. That's what you're gonna get. You're gonna get exactly like that, okay? As you get it like that, you're gonna see it. You put it right there as a belt, and the belt, because you could just put it behind you. And as a standard belt, we do not recommend it to use this with a weight system. This is just the belt to hold it, the unit, okay? So you see right there in the back, it comes right here. And now, if I want to use it, I just grab it and breathe from it. So I can breathe it, and it's working, okay? So I'll keep it right here. This comes with the unit, so it's ready to go. And to release is very easy. One hand, you want to release, that's it. Come right off, and they stay together. You know what I mean? And it has, the way it's built up, is this is hook up to the unit. And when you want to take apart, just to give you a sample, you just go like that, okay? And you can slide it right out. And they stand the tank. and this tank is 6 cubic feet. Okay? Any question? Let us know. Visit our website, DixieDivers.com. Thank you.